Coast?
No,
In
my dear.
Belgium?
No, my
Okay, most
dear.
toxic.
Me and mine are in South Africa right now.
Oh,
Oh yeah, it's your food. You wash your hand already?
yeah.
Hi, beautiful people. Come and eat Padadian with us. Come and eat. We're eating fufu. And it's in my head though. We're eating fufu and spinach the food. Eh? I said spinach the food. Spinach soup. Evening food. Eat before you start dancing. You don't dance when you eat.
Bun. Bun.
When you're done eating, you go and shower. Okay? And get ready for bed. Okay?
No.
What is no?
What do you mean it's not dark?
Are you taking the pandaya and one or
Bun,
we eat together?
Bun.
Yeah, Michael, this is your own. Focus on your own. Marina, that's your own.
I already took one here.
Okay.
I'm almost finished. Don't
Antonia, which
worry.
one is your own? You're eating. We are eating. Is this small one we are eating?
Mm-hmm. I'll eat this one too.
Which one?
Okay.
Can you finish two?
Half.
Me, I'm not eating too much. How are you guys doing?
They smell good, Mama.
Okay, smack like to
To the guys.
they have to tell me smack like
Oh.
because I'm eating. They have to tell me smack like I will not tell them crack it down. Thank you well. This thing tight my belly. Not the digest rich ground well. It's your food now. Why are you looking at me? Jesus. Hey, I just dey punish myself since. What?
Why are you looking at me?
Are you guys in the same
When I let Michael talk. What?
Are you in the same?
Look at the camera and tell them. What you saying?
Are you in the same place like us?
No,
In
my dear.
Belgium?
No, my
Okay,
dear.
most toxic.
Me and mine are in South Africa right now.
Michael must talk one funny baby word. Now small pikin he just grow. Now 6 years old, he just grow. So Mona not look use big my eye tell look at. He say whether not the same place. I tell you, are you guys in the same place like I am? Are you guys in the same place like us? That means it's whether our country now there.
Because
Right.
we live in Belgium.
Wow, I didn't know.
I say because we live in Belgium, so now the same place where we dey una dey. And moreover, I first ask una that day oh, he say how old are you guys? Una no come answer my pikin. How old are you guys? He said the people watching me, how old are you guys? Then he come for one of my live video, he said it. He can't tell una him own age. He can't tell una his two sisters age. As he wan talk my own, now shut up your mouth. My own are private. So how old are you guys? My son is asking you guys, how old are you guys? Isn't that what you're asking? The last time you asked. They'll make a video.
Okay.
They'll make a video and tell you, okay? They'll make a video and tell you how old they are. Okay? They will send the video to
Do
me.
you guys make videos?
Do you guys make video? Go ask una funny question tired today. Do you guys make jam? They will make the video, they will send it to me, they will answer your question, they will send it to me and I'll play it for you. Okay?
Okay.
Why you not ask question?
Why?
You don't have anything to ask my audience? Communicate with my audience.
Are you guys in America
Are you guys in America?
or in Africa? Because we ever went in Africa
Are you guys in America or Africa?
and in a
Who got behind the
hotel.
show so? Michael, on the show so. Are you guys in the Africa or America? Because he said they were once in Africa and they lodged in a hotel. Man, that be translator. Make a translator for now. Did you enjoy it when you were in Africa?
Yeah.
Jeez, let's go time too.
Why not?
It's because I'm dieting. Any little thing I just eat and my stomach will just be full. Because I don't give my stomach space anymore to accommodate a lot of food. You know, I eat little by little. So before I just cut one, my belly don't tight.
Can I take meat?
Yeah, you can take this for you guys. I'm too old to eat meat. With meat, you grow fast. Me, I'm too old to eat meat.
That's not true.
I grow already. Meat is not too good for adults.
What? That's not true.
Yeah. I know it gives vitamin. Look at fly. I know it gives vitamin, but when you eat it, when I eat it too much, it's not that good because I'm too old. I'm too old to eat too much meat. What is good for me now is fish and chicken
No, the mayo.
and what again? Egg.
Egg
Egg is also very good.
Yeah.
There are more in the pot if you want to eat more.
Yeah.
It's also
And
very
that
good.
one meat. No. Yes. You said you put it there. No. But then this is my meat. This is my meat. This is my meat. This is my meat. That's okay.
I finished one bottle. Wow. I think I was really tasty.
I didn't know you can drink stuff fast.
But I'm tasting I can drink fast.
I can drink and if you're hungry,
Michael, eat. Eat. Everybody have to finish in 8 minutes. Our video is running to 8 minutes. Everybody have to finish in 80 minutes. I don't want the video to be too long. Jesus Christ, I'm full, guys. If you need more, you can cut from Natalia.
Is it evening?
Yes, it's evening time. That's why I say you have to shower after eating.
Guys, is it evening for you guys too?
Some people are in the evening and some people are in the morning. In America, they are in the morning now. In Africa, they are in the evening too.
And in Spain?
In Spain is evening also.
Yeah, I already knew.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't believe him. Maybe now I end the video when my children for it comfortable. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy watching this. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up.
Wait. Before you end it, can you please guys subscribe?
Okay. This my picky do like video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and follow my page. If you have not followed my page, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are watching me for YouTube. See you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye.